Hello everyone, hope everyone is fine and safe. Once again, welcome back to my channel Excellence Hub with Surya. Well, it's all about transformation, right? So be with me in this journey so that we will reflect ourselves with better version with lot of clarity and thought. Today we are going to discover one of the most important pillar of self-improvement, rather personal growth, which is none other than the art of influencing and persuading people. Trust me guys, you will be amazed when you are going to unlock the clear-cut strategy of influencing and persuading people. And you will be going to see this video again and again. Not just sound needy, but of course need of hour. So be with me till the end so that you will gain a whole lot of bunch of influencing skills to impress someone. I will be also covering one of the more video exclusively on influential model, which will be suddenly the eye-opener if someone really wants to change the world. Here we go. What is influence? Well, as per my understanding is concerned, it is the capacity of power of person to produce effect on the actions, behaviors and opinions of others. Then what is persuasions? It is all about prompting someone to take action on particular things. Well, there are certain strategy which I am going to address now on how to influence and persuade people. One of the golden mantra is seeking advice. It is not only making feel important, but they feel valuable. They'll do anything for you. Then create a buy-in. Be transparent. Openly communicate. Why is this the decision taken? What are the long-term benefits? Tell what is the background so that they'll feel important. Then appealing or appraising to their good deeds, motives. What inspired them? What motivated them? What does that person stand for? To give value. Make the other person feel important. Once William James said, the deepest principle in human nature is the craving to be appreciated. Same for Henry Ford. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in your ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from their angle. Make the idea, the other person idea. Sometimes people resist people, not the idea. A good idea from a person they don't like can be rejected. Then what is the solutions? The solution is very simple. You can even say like this, what you said the other day made my think on this idea. Don't ask, discuss. Let them only propose what you are going to ask from them. And don't get into any sort of argument. You can't win any argument. If you lose the argument. But if you win, you lose the other person. He or she will be definitely feel bad or hurt. Don't make them understand. Understand them. Let them do the talking. You will understand their challenges. You will understand their pain. It is much easier to influence them because they feel hurt. Ask question first, which get answer in yes. Ask question for which answer you will definitely get yes for that particular answer, so that the person will feel good and likely to say yes to your request. Don't criticize or complain. Criticize doesn't work. It really hurts, so that they'll become defensive. And most importantly, downshift. Don't be upshift. Like argument, fighting, reasons, show you are strong. Follow downshift, like listen to their reasons, understand them, validate them, right? Give them hint, right? 1 or 2 days prior to talk about it for their ideas. Give them a small win and then ask about something which they will have a small win over you or something in the past. So with this, I'm closing these quick sessions. Hope you like it and be with me in this beautiful journey so that I'll bring lot of self-improvement hack videos. Looking forward to your valuable comment and suggestions. Certainly helped me. And please don't forget to click on bell icon and subscribe my channel.